Oh. That one is, isn't it?
Watch.
Yeah. It hasn't got the round wings for a start. That's a kite. Yeah. That's unusual then, because there's only buzzards just not far away. Red kite. Is it, or is it a hawk? Just a... It's not a sparrowhawk, is it? Yeah, it doesn't look like a kite from now it's got closer. No, it's not.
It's a buzzard.
It's
It's
just,
not got a
yeah.
forked tail.
So let's check. No, its wings don't look like buzzard to me though. It's not calling, is it? So.
What's the picture look like?
Let me just open the app up again. I've lost it. I'm not sure. It doesn't look like buzzard wings. I just wish it'd call out.
Probably not as it's plunging down towards us.
No. Yeah. Just trying to get a picture of it. But it's a lot whiter underneath.
Yeah, but I think that's because of how far away it is. It was white underneath.
Yeah.
It's a buzzard.
Yeah, okay, we're going to go with buzzard. Normally we can tell straight away, but that looked a bit odd, that one. We don't think it's a sparrowhawk then.
I don't think so. I think they're more around trees, aren't they? Because by the very nature of the name, probably more like little birds, like sparrows, aren't they? I think.
Probably. This is interesting because it kind of gets exponentially steeper as we go along. Oh. I will check, but I'm pretty sure we are. Yep. Straight up to the road. Quick photo.
a kite.
Yeah, I would tend to agree with you. Normally you can tell so easily. It's really weird. You don't think they're crossbreeding, do you? Go away, fly. Oh my. Oh. Right, I'm going with this one. Yeah, you're probably right, which might have been a better view, but doesn't matter. Blimey, this is steep. Oh, it's, I don't know about relentless, but it's steep. It probably doesn't look it. Certainly tough on the old calves. Oh, come on, you can do it. Oh, feel the burn.
There's a fence there.
That's okay, because there will be where there's a fence, there's usually a gate. Right. Oh my. Okay. Yeah, that would have been a nice walk around the top. Oh well, not to worry. Oh, that was quite a trek up there. Not very far, but it was steep. Whew. I'm hoping I'm hoping there's a gate at the end of this. Oh, oh no. No, no, no. No, no, no. 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 Well, this is slightly annoying to say the least, because that doesn't look like it's a... That doesn't look... That's probably to help the deer get out or something, rather than to let humans in, so... I think we just have to go this way. Well, it's for something, is it, to get out there, but not for something to get back into it. It's certainly not for humans. So, check along here. Yeah. Yeah. Bother. Right, doesn't matter because we need to be that way anyway, but we were going to be going along a road, but if we have to go through here and then out the other side of there, that'd probably be preferable anyway, because we're certainly not supposed to be in there. I don't know who put this route on, but I wouldn't recommend it. No, definitely not. Definitely not, darling. Well, is this walk going to get cut short? Can we get out of this wold? That is the question. It did, which is why I'm kind of relaxed about finding something at the end of here. It's just strange that the footpath took us round there up to that corner and there isn't a proper gate or stile. And that was built just to allow something to get out of that copse, not for someone to get into it. Still nice up here, isn't it? Very pleasant day. Lovely. Ooh. Put myself down. Ooh. Get ripped to pieces by the hawthorn. See a little sparrow go into that tree. Now then, this is opening up a bit. What's here? Anything of interest? There is a fence. There is a gate up there, but I don't know if it's got any signs on it. Probably do not enter. No, it's just a farm gate by the looks of it, but we'll go up there anyway. It's kind of not the way we need to go anyway, but let's see. No. Right, let's have a look on the map where we are, because Ooh. Yeah, we're not supposed to go back down that way. Do you know what? That sign said up there, didn't it?
Yeah.
And when I look at this, it does say this is the way to go up to the road. Shall we try it? After you, my dear. At least we missed the cows. That's probably the best thing about it.
Not usually.
Oh.
No cows.
Yeah. Oh. So, access land. That's the sign that side, but doesn't give much away. I said this route was well signposted, and then now it isn't so well signposted. Although if we had followed that sign and negotiated all the cows, this is probably where we'd have come out. So maybe they've shut the access off through this wooded area. Yeah. You do tend to get a lot of that up this way, don't you? Yeah. So that's probably right. Huh?
Oh, burns chewed up.
Is there?
Yeah.
What, from a hawk attack?
Probably.
Oh yeah. Blimey, didn't leave much of that, did they?
Yeah.
Look at that. Oh! And the entrails.
Lovely.
Better not show that. Yeah, somebody feasted on that bird.
There's the yellow thing. That's it. There's a yellow thing on that gate.
There is a sign
Yeah,
coming
see,
up.
just fog this down in the first place.
Ah, dear. So, now I'm in hot water, it's my fault.
Oh, it's not branch, that's very pale.
Yeah. Part of it fell that way, the rest of it's fallen this way. Oh, this is bizarre. Oh, blackbird. Female blackbird. Yeah, there's the road. Well, well, well. And if you want to use it, a metal covered stile and a map that's missing, but clear sign, That's fine. Right, we're back on track. And there's that plane again. Or, not that plane again, but another plane. And then I think we turn right along the road for about a mile or so, perhaps. Let's have a look. Okay, so past a road merging from the left, around the corner, it is quite a long way, to Millington Wood. Well, it's only Millington Wood, but so we don't go down into Millington. We turn right just after Millington Wood down the hill to Ridings Beck, and then up onto Givendale. So here we go. This is going to be a boring part of the trek along the road. With lots of pheasants.
Which way we go?
We're going right. So when there's a road merging from behind us on the left, that's about a third of the way along. Then we go around a bend to the right, and then we get to Millington Wood. Just after Millington Wood, turn right down the hill. Look at that. Almost a perfectly formed crater. Sinkhole. Yeah, it could be water erosion underneath, and it's only limestone, isn't it? So and it just collapses. I don't know. I'm not a geologist. Although I wouldn't mind being a geologist. I did find geography and physics. And if you combine geography and physics, you get a bit of
deepness,
plate tectonics, geology, that sort of thing.
I passed geography at school.
Yeah. You passed it?
Yeah.
You mean you passed it by?
Yeah, I call them swifts.
That,
swallow.
Swallows. That's a swallow, that one, yeah. They're swallows.
New ones are house martins. No, I've got a GCSE, passed my geography.
Very good. Well
It's all
done.
about
So did I.
commodities and places and populations and stuff like that, and people really to do with sociology.
Yeah, there's a bit of sociology, a bit of geology,
So we didn't really do
bit of
like
everything,
what's the
really.
capital of this country, not that kind of geography, but all to do with
What was the fishing industry of Norway?
yeah, stuff like
Or, yeah.
that. What's the population?
What's
of the-
igneous rock?
And then you have
And where would you find it?
yeah, and you have to work out what was the work out the population.
High Callis Farm. High Callis Farm. On the map is...
Alice World. And it was an organic farm.
Oh, we've gone a very, very, very short distance along this road.
That would be estate, it says.
Yeah. Millington Grange.
Oh,
Cart. Cart. Ooh. So you should be able to pick up the swallows then, shouldn't we, if we put the bird app on. Oops, let's go back, start a recording. Oh, meadow pipit. Why is it? Whenever I put the bird app on, all the birds shut up. One meadow pipit, that's the lot. And all the swallows have just disappeared completely. Unbelievable. Anyway, right, put that off. Put that back on in a bit. Right. Strange that it picked up a meadow pipit. Sometimes you wonder how accurate it is. I mean, it might well be, but I've certainly never heard one of them before.
I'm just made it up. It's probably in there though. That's a meadow. It's on there. I'll fill you up. Might use them to pop.
I was going to say my ears are bleeding, but
There's your 2 ears.
no, just one. You ever go on walks and think, it'd be nice if I had a dog? Female pheasant?
You never go on walks and something.
Don't you?
Oh, you do go on walks.
Oh look, there's swallows about it. Again. Oh no, that's not a swallow. That's a house martin. Let's see, pick it up. Oh, come back. Oh, they're cold.
Right above your head.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Stop as soon as I get the app out. Wind picked up, motorbike comes along, birds stop chirping. Hello, Callis Granary. Luxury self-catering accommodation. That's interesting. That is interesting. Does that mean they've got shepherd's hut pods or something? Or ooh, I have to check that out. It certainly sounds like it.
I was going to say, where did we see horses last time? But it was when we were walking across to
yes. Pfizer to settle.
And the horses were going along.
Yeah, that was nice. That would have made a beautiful video. However, I bought the wrong type of SD card and it just packed up halfway through the walk, which was really annoying. Don't know if we'll ever get that video off that card. Shame.
Yeah, and that little cat came on the walk.
Yeah, that was lovely, wasn't it? Yeah, a really nice walk. Beautiful walk. From the campsite to settling back. Really enjoyed that day. It's almost a shame we're not going camping again this year. Probably just about get another decent weekend in September before it gets too cold. I suppose it's never too cold, but you don't want it where you can't sit out at night. That's the joy of camping, isn't it? Sitting out until the sun goes down, getting a fire pit going, have a bottle of wine, nice bit of food, and just enjoy the fresh air. Absolutely perfect. I wouldn't want it so cold that you had to snuggle up into your sleeping bag at 6 o'clock at night. Still here, horses?
That's when you want a cottage with a log burner.
Yeah, and a hot tub preferably. Then you can go out with a bottle of sparkling wine, sit in the hot tub and enjoy the starry night. And if it rains or snows, even better. We are lucky, aren't we, really?
Oh.
To be able to do stuff like that.
Yeah.
Some kind of communication tower.
To be the one that all the motorbikes
Oh, so it's not a road merging from the left, it's us merging onto a road. Didn't make that obvious in here. Ah, great. So
we're carrying along with it.
Well, yeah, this bit we've just done, which is quite a long way, probably not quite a mile, is not even a third of what we've sort of still got. So what have we, it is about a third of the way, I guess. Yeah, another 2 of what we've just done along this bit. That's a bit of a shame, isn't it? Oh well. Oh well. Yorkshire Way. Is that the Yorkshire Wolds Way?
Yeah.
Cycle route 167. Friday Thorpe, Driffield, Pocklington, Millington, and Malton back that way. Yorkshire Wolds. National Cycle Network. Ah. Well, I wouldn't class this as a fun hike, this bit, but still, we're out. At least we're out. I didn't even see on that sign how far it said to Millington. Was it a couple of miles? So we've probably got about 1.25 miles to go, I'd imagine. Which probably this pace take about 20 minutes, 25 minutes, I guess, to 25 minutes to half an hour. The Grange, Foxwood Lodge. It does look very nice. It's new anyway, whatever it is, it's got a new roof, that's for sure. Foxwood Lodge. God, the audio is probably really windy, muffled. Right, I'm going to switch this off for a bit until we get to the end of this road, I think, because that's not fun.